So today we'll be making our engine bay look real fresh. Hi everybody, we are doing engine bay today. So we're just gonna, it looks alright as it is right now, but we're just gonna piss off some of the wiring and we will remove things up, tape it up, scuff it back and paint it in gloss black. So this is what we got now. So off camera I taped the car up and also we scuffed all the surfaces back with I think it's 240 grit or something. Master cylinders off so we can get around it, and also the paint was it was pretty obvious where the highs and lows were. And we're going to shoot it with some 2K, just gloss black, and I'll start setting up the compressor and cover that and we'll get to it. Also got to wipe down all the surfaces with a wax and grease remover before I do as well. So there we go, that's our first coat on the engine bay. I had a bit of a reaction back here. That didn't go too well, so I'll probably sort that out, but majority of it turned out pretty good. I'll sort that out, then we'll go another coat. Awesome. So I'm happy enough now with how that paint turned out. It's pretty good, nice and shiny. Bit peelant, but it doesn't matter, it's an engine bay. Now I get to peel the tape off. That's job done. All looks very nice. Engine bay sorted.